Welcome back to KM Autos, the ultimate destination for every car enthusiast who lives and breathes the sound of raw engines, iconic designs, and futuristic rides. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into a name from the golden era, reborn with electric soul and retro magic. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is here, and it's turning heads with a style that mixes classic curves with future tech. So buckle up because this one is going to ignite your love for automotive art like never before. The name Karmann Ghia carries a legacy soaked in elegance, simplicity, and flair. Born in the mid-1950s through a partnership between Volkswagen, the Italian design house Ghia, and the German coach builder Karmann, the original Ghia was never about raw speed. It was about form, emotion, and grace. And now, in 2026, the legend makes a bold return, not as a combustion coupe, but as a fully electric icon designed for a new generation of dreamers. At first glance, the new Karmann Ghia is nothing short of mesmerizing. It's a blend of retro nostalgia and futuristic purity. The signature low-slung silhouette returns, with soft flowing lines that echo the original's timeless charm. But this isn't just a copy-and-paste revival. The 2026 model brings a sleek LED light bar across the front fascia, flush door handles, and smooth, aerodynamic surfaces that reduce drag while keeping that unmistakable Ghia soul intact. You get a modern interpretation of the classic teardrop shape, with wide haunches at the rear and a panoramic glass roof that elevates the coupe's elegance to a whole new level. Under the skin, the 2026 Karmann Ghia rides on Volkswagen's latest EV architecture, the SSP platform, which blends high performance with lightweight construction. This coupe is no slouch. Offering dual-motor all-wheel drive, it pumps out an impressive 430 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 4.5 seconds. That's faster than anything the original Ghia ever imagined. But performance is not its only mission. The Ghia delivers a range of around 600 km on a full charge, thanks to a next-gen solid-state battery that promises faster charging, longer life, and cooler operation. But it's not just about specs. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is about emotion. And that's where the cabin plays its part beautifully. Slide into the driver's seat and you're greeted by a minimalistic, artful interior. No buttons clutter the dashboard. Instead, a large curved OLED display stretches across the front, flowing seamlessly into the soft suede-lined panels. A recycled wood trim runs along the beltline, reminding you that this car is as eco-conscious as it is luxurious. The seats, crafted from vegan leather, offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, while ambient lighting wraps around you like a warm hug. One of the coolest features is the AI personal assistant named Ghia Voice, which adapts to your mood, preferences, and even driving style. Want to set the mood with a sunset drive playlist and ambient orange lighting? Just say the word. It can also give real-time battery health updates, suggest scenic routes, and even remind you to take a break if it senses fatigue. Add to that level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, and this coupe becomes your true companion on every journey. But perhaps the most exciting thing about the 2026 Karmann Ghia is that it dares to be different. In a world of aggressive SUVs and angular hypercars, this car slows things down and whispers elegance. It's a car for those who appreciate the journey, not just the destination. And yet, it still has the tech and power to thrill when the road opens up. Volkswagen has also taken special care to make the new Ghia accessible to enthusiasts. While it is a premium offering, it won't come with a six-figure price tag. Positioned between the ID.5 and the Audi Q4 e-tron Coupe, the Karmann Ghia starts around $58,000, making it a desirable piece of rolling art that's within reach for many. And if you're lucky enough to grab one of the limited launch editions, you'll get exclusive heritage badges, two-tone paint options reminiscent of the original, and a numbered interior plaque to remind you you're part of something truly special. The revival of the Ghia also signals something bigger. It's a statement that the past still matters, that emotion and style can live in harmony with innovation and sustainability. And Volkswagen has nailed it with this blend. You don't just drive the 2026 Karmann Ghia, you experience it. It's the kind of car that makes people smile as it rolls by, the kind that brings back memories while creating new ones. And for those who have always dreamed of a car that speaks softly but leaves a deep impression, the Ghia is your answer. It's not trying to shout in a world full of loudness, it just glides through it with grace. The world of electric cars just got a lot more beautiful. So there you have it, Jiggier, the 2026 Karmann Ghia, a timeless classic reimagined for a new era. If you're as captivated by this modern masterpiece as we are, don't forget to like the video, share it with your car-loving friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy this retro futuristic coupe? And what other classics do you think deserve a comeback like this? Until next time, this is KM Autos, where legends come alive once more.